Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The book of Nehemiah, chapter 11, verses 1 to 36:1. The princes of the people lived in Jerusalem. The rest of the people also cast lots to bring 1 of 10 to dwell in Jerusalem, the holy city, and 9 parts in the other cities. 2, the people blessed all the men who willingly offered themselves to dwell in Jerusalem. 3, now these are the chiefs of the province who lived in Jerusalem. But in the cities of Judah, everyone lived in his possession in their cities Israel, the priests, the Levites, the temple servants, and the children of Solomon's servants. 4, some of the children of Judah and of the children of Benjamin lived in Jerusalem. Of the children of Judah, Athaiah, the son of Uzziah, the son of Zechariah, the son of Amariah, the son of Shephatiah, the son of Mahalalel. Of the children of Perez, 5, and Messiah, the son of Baruch, the son of Kolhose, the son of Haziah, the son of Adiah, the son of Joarib, the son of Zechariah, the son of the Shilonite. 6, all the sons of Perez who lived in Jerusalem were 468 valiant men. 7, these are the sons of Benjamin. Sailu, the son of Meshullam, the son of Jod, the son of Pedaiah, the son of Koliah, the son of Maaseiah, the son of Ithiel, the son of Jeshiah. 8 after him, Gabai and Salai, 928. 9, Joel, the son of Zichri, was their overseer. And Judah, the son of Hasenuah, was second over the city. 10 of the priests, Jedaiah, the son of Joarib, Yakin. 11, Sariah, the son of Hilkiah, the son of Meshullam, the son of Zadok, the son of Meraioth, the son of Ahitub, the ruler of God's house. 12, and their brothers who did the work of the house, 822. And Adiah, the son of Jeraham, the son of Pelaliah, the son of Amzi, the son of Zechariah, the son of Pashur, the son of Malchijah. 13, and his brothers, chiefs of fathers' households, 242. And Amashi, the son of Azarel, the son of Azai, the son of Meshulmith, the son of Immer, 14, and their brothers, mighty men of valor, 128. And their overseer was Zabdiel, the son of Haggedolim. 15, of the Levites, Shemaiah, the son of Hashub, the son of Azrikam, the son of Hashabiah, the son of Buni. 16, and Shabbathai, and Jozabad, of the chiefs of the Levites, who had the oversight of the outward business of God's house. 17, and Mattaniah, the son of Micah, the son of Zabdi, the son of Asaph, who was the chief to begin the thanksgiving and prayer, and Bakbukiah, the second among his brothers. And Abda, the son of Shammua, the son of Galal, the son of Jeduthun. 18, all the Levites in the holy city were 284. 19, moreover, the gatekeepers, Akub, Talman, and their brothers, who kept watch at the gates, were 172. 20, the residue of Israel, of the priests, and the Levites were in all the cities of Judah, everyone in his inheritance. 21, but the temple servants lived in Ophel, and Ziha and Gishpa were over the temple servants. 22, the overseer also of the Levites at Jerusalem was Utzi, the son of Bani, the son of Hashabiah, the son of Mattaniah, the son of Micah, of the sons of Asaph, the singers responsible for the service of God's house. 23, for there was a commandment from the king concerning them, and a settled provision for the singers, as every day required. 24, Pethahiah, the son of Meshezabel, of the children of Zerah, the son of Judah, was at the king's hand in all matters concerning the people. 25, as for the villages with their fields, some of the children of Judah lived in Kiriath Arba and its towns, in Dibon and its towns, in Jekabzeel and its villages, 26 in Jeshua, in Melada, Beth Pelet, 27 in Hazar Shual, in Beersheba and its towns, 28 in Ziklag, in Melkona and in its towns, 29 in Enrimmon, in Zorah, in Jarmuth, 30 Zanoah, Adullam, and their villages, Lachish and its fields, and Azekah and its towns. So they encamped from Beersheba to the valley of Hinnom. 31. The children of Benjamin also lived from Geba onward, at Michmash and Aisha, and at Bethel and its towns. 32 at Anathoth, Nob, Aniah, 33 Hazor, Ramah, Kidam, 34 Hadid, Zaboim, Nebalat, 35 Lod, and Ono, the valley of craftsmen. 36 of the Levites. Certain divisions in Judah settled in Benjamin's territory. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the book of Nehemiah chapter 11 verses 1 to 36. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.